Hello traders, welcome to the recap for the 22nd of November. I wanted to put together a YouTube recap today just because, it was going to be an interesting day to trade. Being that it's a holiday in the US, we couldn't really expect much out of New York, so you basically had to focus just on the European morning alone and hopefully try and pull out some good pips during that time. Also knowing that it was probably going to be a little bit of a thin market, probably wasn't going to move too far, but things worked out really well today. There was 3 trades for the Elite Range Bar trading system that we use, and 40 pips is what I pulled out today, along with some mistakes where I could have done a little bit better. So basically it started out during Frankfurt Open here. We pushed down and we eventually had another push down at London Open too, but we didn't have any valid trades in any of that movement, which is a little bit unusual. We generally will have at least 1 or 2 trades during these opens, but around the half hour is when the first trade came in for a type 1 long, and that is very good timing to see a trade come in. Basically one that we were able to hold for the whole half hour, to the point where at 9 o'clock once again is a good turning time on that half hour, and so it definitely made sense to exit that trade once it double topped in here for 17 pips. From there, I took a type 2 DT, a little bit of an advanced trade because it's not the perfect setup that we usually will look for on those type 2 DTs, but took a short there and waited a little bit longer to get in than I normally would to basically confirm that move down. From there, this one was, I'll admit, kind of poorly managed by myself. It was one where I had an opportunity to get quite a few more pips from it, but I was hoping this 50 level would hold and that we'd push down into these prior lows for London Open, which unfortunately didn't happen. And when momentum turned back to the upside and we broke above the 50, I just took the 7 pips because I knew that the probability was very high that we'd be moving back up to these previous highs over here. That did happen, but I did manage to catch another type 1 with the new trend. And this one was pretty perfect. We got a good spike up into the London lunch here, and that's basically where I exited as soon as we stalled. Now, normally during a good trending move like this with a good momentum spike in there, you can probably expect to hold this and do quite a bit better to get quite a few more pips. For me, it was more that it was a holiday, that it was London lunch. There was a lot of reasons for me to be happy to just take those pips off the table and just be done with my day. But there was the potential there to hold this for double the pips that I got. And there were some other opportunities in here and in here where you could have potentially taken a long up towards that 2,900 level as well. From there was limited opportunities in New York, which is to be expected when markets are going to be very thin during that time. And really, unless you're a very advanced trader, or if you just really, really want to put yourself through the difficulty of trading during a U.S. holiday, you're better off just to walk away from the screens and just, especially if you have some pips from the morning session, just be happy with those and take a little bit of time off. Enjoy the U.S. holiday for yourself, even if you're not from the U.S. So that was it for today. Like I said, pretty short day. 40 pips total, 3 wins, 0 losses, and very happy with the 0 loss day because those do not happen very often. So when you get them, be very happy for them. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you later.